Hey, Corey Harrington, founder of Creative Real Estate Made Easy. I've done like 4 of these videos, so if you see the same thing over and over again, me wearing this, the gym attire, forgive me. But I was out there working out, and I haven't changed. I've been in and out of my office. This is my home office. I have an office at a high rise as well, and I've been between here and there, and then going to handle some things. And I figured I'd answer a few video questions. These are Yahoo questions, so I have answers to these Yahoo questions. The question here is, how can I find a hard money lender? I need to find a hard money lender or private investor for a $20,000 loan. I want to use the equity in the home as the basis for the loan. The house is worth about $200,000 and I owe $83,000 on the mortgage. I do not qualify for a traditional mortgage because of self-employment income. I know I will not have trouble paying this off even with a high interest rate. Looking for a short term, like 1 year. I have good credit scores. I was wondering where I can get a list of lenders, investors that may do this type of loan. Any suggestions? Okay, well, if your property is worth $200,000 and you owe $83,000, and I don't see that there's any additional repairs beyond that. Looks like that's about 40 cents on the dollar, and you're looking to loan $20,000. So let's just round it off and call it $100,000. So your property's at 50 cents loan to value with that extra $20,000. I would lend that money to you. I'd give you $20,000. So call my office. My name is Corey Harrington. My office is 210-682-8937. And you can also get a hold of me at www.creativerealestatemade-easy.com and get a hold of me there, and I wouldn't have a problem doing that. I'm going to go ahead and shut my door. There's some background noise. I borrow money. I borrow money from various different lenders. I have private lenders as well. I filed with the SEC, and I raise capital. So I have a lot of experience doing this. I used to be a stockbroker with Edward Jones, and so I'm familiar with the SEC, and I know how to pitch investment products. Something like this is really easy. You're an owner-occupant. You're a dream. You're less than 50% LTV. I would gladly loan you $20, and I'd give you a year. If you don't pay by the end of the year, I'll have to foreclose, so you would lose your property. The payments would have to be done in a timely fashion and set up according to how our agreement would be. Set up with a lawyer and go to title, and we'd put a second lien on the property. And there is a little bit of an issue. A lot of lenders don't prefer second liens because it's difficult to collect on those second liens. So there may be a little more inherent risk, and by that inherent risk, we'd have to charge points, and we'd also have to have a high interest rate. So you may be paying 12 to 15% interest, and your points may be between 4 and 10 points. That means percentage. So if you're loaning $20,000, 10%, you can pay as much as 10% or $2,000. $4,000 on the loan just to get the loan. So something you want to factor in. I have another lender that will lend to you. They'll look at your credit scores. If it's above 680, then they're pretty lenient. I have another lender that does a 5-year loan. But to really get in front of hard money lenders as an owner occupant, not an investor, it's real easy. There's people out there that'll lend money to you. So contact my office and I'll show you how to do it. My name is Corey Harrington, founder of Creative Real Estate Made Easy. You can call my office at 210-682-8937 or 210-68-BUYER. I'm out of San Antonio, Texas. Thank you. I hope this was helpful.